Hey everyone, this is Vikrant from the Art and Mind Project, Team AMP, and that's
and
Sushmita.
the glamour of the Art and Mind project. But
Yes.
now we have even more glamorous news.
Yes, during this pandemic, weird things are happening all around us.
Absolutely
Uh,
weird things are happening, है ना?
yeah. Yes. Since I am the king of the weirdos, the bearded
Yeah,
weirdo,
yeah.
so I
For
am
all
no
intents
exception to
and
the rule.
purposes, you
Yes. I have a good news for all the for all our subscribers and our members of Team AMP out there. So I started this
know.
pandemic single, and now I am glad to say I am married. Yes,
हो गई बोलो.
and this video is this video has two purposes. One is to introduce you to our viewers to my wife, and second is Sujata has Sushilta. So I keep on saying my wife's name again and again. My wife's name is Sujata, by the way, guys. Sushilta has sent us this amazing gift which we have still yet to unwrap. We're gonna do this over here so that Sushita can see our expressions when we unwrap this gift for the first time. So without further ado, I introduce you to who is someone who is no doubt my better half, Sujata Grant Utekar.
Hi, Sujata!
Hi.
Yeah, don't worry. मेरा पागलपन थोड़े कुछ दिनों में rub off हो जाएगा. You'll get used to me. Don't worry.
You don't get used to it ever.
विक्रांत, shut up. और बड़बड़ किया ना, देख ऑलरेडी मैंने गिन के आई थिंक कुछ 18 या 20 चप्पल फेंकने वाले प्लान्स हैं मेरे, और तुझे मारने के आई थिंक अब तक 10 के तो रिकॉर्ड हो गए होंगे. एक और नॉच मत ऐड कर प्लीज.
So apart from you viewers seeing Sujata and meeting Sujata for the first time, this is also Sushita's first time meeting Sujata.
Yes,
Uh,
it is.
yeah. So she has this grand scheme in her mind of getting Sujata on her side so that they both can gang up against me.
That's still the plan.
Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe that is something you guys should work out later.
छोड़ना, वो तो मैं तो छोड़ना.
So Sujata, what do you have to say to our viewers?
Don't put her in the spot. Help her.
Okay, Sujata, apart from being my wife, has also been an active part of Team AMP. She's been a member of Team AMP for a long time now, for almost 2-3 months.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, and I'm going to make sure that she plays an active role in our activities from here on out. She's going to help me put together the magazine next month's issue. So that is
Fine.
going to be a big load of my
I
back.
nothing. I was just doing the cover and my forward, but that's going to be a big relief for you.
Yeah. Yes. So, but other than that, like me and Sushita are still gonna be curating the entire magazine. We're still gonna be the ones along with the author of the month to decide who is gonna be part of the magazine, which writers are gonna be part of it. I am still taking care of our YouTube channel. I'll be editing it on my end. Sushita is gonna come up with, I'm sure, some amazing ideas to revamp our YouTube channel. Apart from that, there's also some interesting things that we are doing right now. We've gotten into book reviews as well as book promotions. People have been asking us to promote their works, and we're always happy to promote fresh talent, new talent out there. So interesting things have been happening both on the professional as well as the personal front, and things are looking great for the AMP, as Sushrita can attest to with her weird dance.
You know, you have just एक और नॉच ऐड कर दिया. एक बिच लात मिलने वाला है और एक मस्त वाली लात मिलने वाली है. Just FYI. Just.
So now that we have, now that we have accomplished one part of purpose of this video, let us move on to purpose number 2.
I am super nervous about purpose number 2.
So Sujata will do the honors with her hands.
Yay!
Yes.
You gotta tell us, bruh, what you're doing, bruh. दिख रहा नहीं है, bruh.
Okay.
देखने का तुम कैसा अनबॉक्स करता है. अपुन को भी देखने का है तुम कैसा अनबॉक्स करता है.
लगान की कैप्टन रसल की तरह मत बात कर.
ये चुप रहे, तेरे से ही सीखा है. आधा टाइम तो ऐसे ही फालतूगिरी जैसे बात करते रहता है मेरे से.
So the package says Stallion Bavaya, so I am guessing this is some sort of glasses or something.
तो मेरे को मत मार, ऐसे सस्पेंस में रख के खोल के देख.
Yes. Okay. Oh, that. Oh, mess.
खोलो यार.
Hey, we picked up the right ones as well in the first try.
Well done. I can't wait. खोलो जल्दी, मेरा डेथ हो रहा है इधर ही वेट कर करके.
Mr. Yay. So we thought as much that you would gift us something like this. So since Sujata is not much of a wine drinker, so we will have to be happy with Sprite.
जो भी पीना उसमें से पियो. It's up to you guys.
बस कॉफी मत पीना.
नहीं, कॉफी भी पी सकते हो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. कोल्ड कॉफी पी लो.
Lady. Okay, so cheers.
Awesome.
Cheers to everyone. Yes.
But how do you like it? How do the both of you like the glasses? कैसा लग रहा है?
I love the glasses. I've never had wine glasses before.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
I've had wine before. I've never had a wine glass of myself before.
So, obvious चीजें मत बोलना. मेरे को पता है वाइन पिया है तुमने पहले.
Now that this is done, I would officially like to thank you for this amazing gift. We love it.
Now he officially thanks me. Not when, I created like a small sweet little message to put for him on the AMP. No. That time it's like, thank you, Sushrita, for the warm wishes. And I'm like, yeah, sure. I'm putting a gun against your head and shooting you. I have done that metaphorically multiple times. But okay.
In my defense, there was a Satyanarayan puja at my place when this was happening.
You were thanking everybody else, समझा ना? तो बाकी सब लोग को thank you बोल रहा था. चुप रह तू. मैंने देखे comments. तू अब तो तू देख. अब देख तेरी कैसी बैंड बजाती. तू रुक.
और मैंने बोला भी था थैंक यू बोलने के लिए.
ये येड़ा है. तुझे तो ये येड़ा है. ये ऐसा ही है. इसका कोई होप्स नहीं है.
मैंने भी यही बोला है. कुछ नहीं हो सकता है आपका.
विक्रांत, आप? How does it feel to be addressed as आप?
I don't know. I suddenly feel like I should have grey hair or something.
You can, go ahead and have gray hair. आजकल platinum blonde का काफी style चल रहा है. To look
No,
horrible.
but I'd much rather go for that natural salt and pepper look.
हो 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 कळलं मला. Natural and pepper. एक काम करते ना, तुझ्या ह्याच्या डोक्यावरती शिंपड ना थोडंसं मीठ. झालं सॉल्ट अँड पेपर लुक. पेपर तर ऑलरेडी आहे डोक्यावरती ह्याच्या.
उद्या करते ते काम.
Done. Oh, actually, you know what? Now I can do this one thing. I can give interesting challenges to the both of you as a couple, and you have to do it with each other, and we can feature it.
Okay.
Like what?
I don't know. अब भी सोचा यार. Come on, ऐसे कैसे?
So guys, if you want to see that happen, comment, tell us that you want to see.
Please say something. Please let me do this, guys. Let. This is my first co-founder who is married. Please let me experience the joy of giving them couple chat.
How many co-founders have you had before this?
Ati, Ati vichitrapana Vikrant. Ati. You're supposed to, play along instead of put me in the spot.
So yes, guys, in all seriousness, if you want something like that to happen for us to, do videos as a couple, do challenges, please let us know. Comment down below. We'll also, you can let us know on our social media as well. We are on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So guys, just hit us up and let us know if you have any ideas, some interesting content that you can pitch us. We're always happy. If you are a budding writer or if you've written a book, you want your book to be promoted, you want your book to be reviewed, we do that as well. We also are starting out and expanding into editing and content writing as well. So guys, we are here for you, and we hope nothing but the best. And in these dark times, when everything around you seems a little bleak, we're always there for you to make you smile.
Vikrant is like the perfect role model for this, okay? In times that are bleak, he's gone ahead and accomplished something so magical in his life. And he has begun such a beautiful journey in the most bleakest of times. I mean, like, hats off to that, man. Hats off to that. And I wish the both of you a very, very, very merry, happy, prosperous life ahead. And you will just have to jelofy me as we go along. Choice nahi hai dono ke saath. Sorry, Sujata. You'll have to jelofy me. That's just part of the package of the amp. So kuch kar nahi sakte.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this for us. I really appreciate it. And
now she's happy married because now she doesn't have to have me constantly on her head कि ये क्यों नहीं हुआ, ये क्या नहीं, ये कब होगा.
Well, वो doubtful है. देखते हैं.
So, guys, this is us. This is truly Team AMP with finally Sujata as this holistic and most significantly important member of the team. She's already been a part of the AMP, but I would officially like to extend a warm welcome to the AMP family, to Sujata. I can't tell you how happy I am to have you on board. At least he won't eat my head alone when it comes to work. So thank you so much, Sujata. But on a more serious note, I wish you guys the best. And hopefully the shitty pandemic gets over and I get to meet you guys in person. Or, if things start improving and I get to meet you guys in person, I would love that. And yeah, to our viewers, to our subscribers, to our ardent members and followers, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for always supporting us and loving us for what we stand. Thank you so much for being such an integral part of the AMP. And yeah, let's just call it. We are Team AMP.